I am beyond furious about this bullshit. The shop owner is a really good friend of mine. He doesn't deserve for his employees to do this kind of bullshit with. Hey, mama. I love you. You're growing fast, baby. So beautiful, yeah. Everything is fish eyes everywhere. The whole front clip is painted. The hood, bumper and two fenders, and the passenger door. Look at this. The boss, who's a really good friend of mine, takes really good care of his employees. He pays them well, and he's a great guy. He does not deserve for his employees to do this kind of bullshit. And certainly, whoever it is that owns this car doesn't deserve this kind of work. This is bullshit. This is a brand new Hellcat. Look at this. This car's not even delivered yet. What the hell is this? Look at all this fish eyes in here. This has been wet side and buffed. And it's, look at the surface, man. What is this? Everything. Look at all these fish eyes. Look at them all. Fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes. And it's been wet sand and buffed. Hey mama, I'm doing a video. Look at all this. And look at this shit. Come on, yo. The guy that did the bodywork is watching this. I want you to know that you really fucked this one up. You could have done a lot better. I've seen him do much better work than this. Why? Why? Because we want to get it done in time for the holidays and get paid. And then I get called in to fix this. Where's the body guy? He's nowhere to be found. That's the way it is. They come to get paid, they fucks it up, and then they disappear. Look at that shit, dude. Like, honestly, right? Am I right? Yeah. Who did this shitty body work? Who did it? This wasn't even taken apart. Look at this paint edge on here. I know, right? Even the cat's like, yeah, what the fuck? Like, for real, you know what I'm saying? The mirror wasn't taken off and this was painted. So there's a nasty tape line on here too. And it's all fish eyes. I know, mama. It's all fish eyes. I know. This is why it's so hard for customers, just regular people who need to take their car to a body shop. They don't know what they're gonna get, It can be a shop with a good reputation and good ratings, but if for some reason the body guy, he's ill or he's having problems at home or he just wants to get things done so he can get paid and have money for the holidays, somebody gets the shitty end of the stick, And it's not fair. Hey mama, it's not fair. I love you too, mama. I love you too. Ah, look at this. And it's a rebuilt title. I wonder if that was from the accident that it had. So, the boss called me in to see if I can make this look better without having to do bodywork or paint again on this. I know I'm gonna try. How can I make this fit and look good without having to redo the body work? I'm always the guy that gets called in for some people's shit. This shit. I know. Look at this shit, dude. Come on, man. You feel me? You feel me? Hey, mama. I'm trying to do a video, man. Look. Look. It's the edge of the hood. Look at that. That's tape. That's a tape line. That's a piece of tape that was taped over the front of it. It wasn't taped good. Now look. When they did the paint job, it didn't get paint because I had a piece of tape on it. Look at this tape line on here. I think this was a brand new bumper cover that was purchased because the original one was too destroyed from the crash, but they assembled it and then painted it. And they didn't even tape it good enough. It seems like it, right? But they didn't tape it good enough and consistently enough, and it looks like it also had some damage. Look at that. And the problem with this is, as this paint continues to dry and cure, and months go by, it's going to shrink a little bit as it loses the moisture, okay, as the solvents from the paint, continue to evaporate as it dries. And this is going to shrink and it's going to curl up, and then it starts to flake off. It's going to flake off. Let's open this. Hold on. Would you do a job like that on a car like this? On a brand new Hellcat. Hey, mama. Why would you do that? Look at this. Like, come on, yo, for real? Come on, bro. Like, really, yo. Come on, look. On the side of the fender. Come on, man. Look at this shit, dude. Come on, man. Yo, whoever did the body work on here, man, shame on you, bro. Shame on you. This is not lack of skill or lack of experience. This is pure I don't give a shit. That's what that is. This is I don't give a shit. Because you have the tools, the skills, and the experience to actually perform the entire repair. You know what you're doing. And part of this fault is the prepper too, because the prepper needs to see these things and either fix it himself or bring it to the body man's attention. And the owner of the shop, like I said, is a really good guy. It is, his responsibility to be managing and seeing how everybody's doing their job. But he's a very busy guy, and he owns 2 body shops. And he can't be 2 places at once. But this is fucked up, man. This is wrong, yo. Look at this shit. And this is already bolted and installed. How am I supposed to make this look right? What am I supposed to do with this without having to redo somebody else's body work? Look at this. So, I'm gonna end this video for now. But I'll let you guys know what happens with this. Alright, peace out.